Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you're highly welcome. So today we are doing an easy glam makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you from start to finish every step. So if you want to see more of makeup video, do well to hit the subscribe button since it's free. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, share your thoughts on the comment section. Let's go straight into the video. So I'm starting off by priming my eyes with Pond's lasting oil primer. My brow, sorry. I produce so much oil in my brow area, so I usually prime my eyes. So to line my brow, I'm going in with David's number 3 eye pencil. Guys, if you have a brow, you can actually line it with your concealer and your foundation, then use a brow gel to comb it out. But I don't have anything, so I have to do this. I have to go through this step. It's very important to me because, as I always say, I think brows is everything in makeup. So I'm now drawing hair-like structure. I'll comb it out with a brush so that it will look all blend in. So to line my brow, my lower brow, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And I'm using a flat brush, sharp angle brush for this. And you should take your time, guys, take your time. So I'll now blend it out with my middle finger so that the blend will seem seamless. So for my upper brow, I'm going in with my foundation, which is Maybelline Superstay in the shade Warm Coconut. I'm still using that flat angle brush. And guys, you should use as little product as you can. I think I use too much product in this video in lining my brow, but I got it sorted. But if you use a little product, a little goes a long way, as I usually say. So I blended it out with my middle finger so that when I'm applying the foundation later, I won't have so much issues. So guys, this step is actually for beginners because I'm always seeing beginners not putting, there's no foundation in between their brows. The foundation you finish using to line your upper brow, put it in, then blend it in with your finger. It will save you so much issue later. So for my eyeshadow base, I'm going back in with that LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'll blend it out with my Damn Beauty blender. So for my eyeshadow palette, I'm going in first with this V Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with that shade. That's the first one, the second, and the third, all on my crease area. That 3 colors on my crease. So the first color, I'm just patting it in. I'm not dragging it out. I'm just patting it in my crease. I'm not dragging it all over the place. Applying it using a patting motion. So I went back in with that second color, the second color that I showed you guys. I'm still patting it in. I'm not like extending it all over the place. I do tap, 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 tap. I tap it into my crease. Then I go in with the last one, which I apply to blend everything in. I tap it in first, then I use a circular motion to blend it all in because I don't like any harsh lines. And I was extending the wing, I was like extending the shadows. So to cut my crease, I went back with that LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And I'm not like cutting my full crease, I'm just cutting just that little bit, like where you open your eye to show. So it's only there. So I just extended it a little bit upward I wanted my eyeshadow to show, but I didn't want to cut the whole crease. So I went into Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. I used that goldish yellow shade. Yeah, that I'll show you guys later. And I patted it in close to my tear dot area. Since I like bright eyes, my tear dot area should be bright. So guys, that's the color I went in with first. Then I'm going in dark with that blue shade. I'm just patting it into my crease, the left back crease that I not applied the gold shade. And I'm using a dabbing motion, guys. I'm always saying if you want the best results for your eyeshadow, shade or shimmer shade, you should dab. You should not drag it all over the place. If you drag, it will lessen the pigmentation. So to draw my wing eye, I went in with a gel liner. I've forgotten the name. It will be in the description box below. So I just connected the dots, where my upper eye meet my lower eyelid. I draw, then I extended it. So guys, I went into the face. Now I'm moisturizing my whole face with my body cream. That's Nivea body cream, while I wait for my eyelash glue to set in. And now apply my lash, my favorite part of makeup. After applying that, I went in with my Pond's Lasting Oil Primer and applying it on the area that I apply, and I'll produce all the mousse. In my case, it's my whole face, but some people use their nose and their forehead, but me, it's my whole face. I apply this all over my face. I'm going back in with my foundation, Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Warm Coconut, and I'm using a dabbing motion to apply it using my Damn Beauty blender. I'm dabbing it all over the face. I'm dab. Guys, I always say you should dab your foundation if you want maximum coverage. Dab it in, and please don't forget to blend in your neck. No matter how perfect you think your foundation shade is, blend it into your neck. I'm always saying this. And don't apply fresh product or foundation to your nose. Just remember to blend in your nose. So for my highlighter, I'm going back in with that Elegant Pro Conceal. I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, my under eye, my chin, my forehead. I'm now blending it out with my Damn Beauty blender. And guys, please don't spread your concealer all over your face. Just dab it in. It should be dabbed in, not drag all over the place. You dab. I did a contour and highlighting tutorial. If you have not seen it, check down the description box. I was so detailed on what this highlight and contouring is. So when you are blending the bridge of your nose, you pinch your beauty blender and blend it in. You can actually use a brush if you want to, but I like beauty blenders for my concealers. So to set my face, my highlights and other good stuff, I'm using this Avour professional powder palette, and today I'm setting it with my brush and I apply using a dabbing motion too. Applying setting all the places I highlighted. For my contour, I went back still with that Avour professional powder palette and I'm applying it using a circular motion. I'm not drawing a line since I don't want any harsh lines, and I'm contouring. I'm contouring my hairline too, because you don't want to look as if you have a marks on, so you have to contour your hairline. And guys, while I do this is I want my chin to pop. So for my nose contour, I went in with a smaller brush and I drew a line, blend it in from below my brow area. I blend it in, blend it downward, then I do that to the other side of my nose. And guys, you should blend in your contour, your nose contour immediately, and it shouldn't be 3 shades darker because it will be very difficult to blend in. So I wanted my face to pop, so I did a reverse contour here, but I blended it out immediately. So to set the entire face, that your face will not look that powdery, I went in with the classic Mist and Fix setting spray. I'm using that same gel liner to line my waterline. Guys, I'm always saying that this step is important because it makes your eye pop. You just literally pop up your eye. Then I went back in with that second shade for my lid area, that blue shade. I used to smudge out my under eye. This step 2 is actually important because you want that nice salty looks. So for my highlighting, I highlight the bridge of my nose, I blend it in. Guys, please be careful where you place your highlight because it will be very difficult to clean out. The bridge of my nose, I blend it out. My cubic bow, I blend it out with my middle finger. Then my brow bone area. And to contour your chin, just right above where, to highlight your chin, just right above where you contour, and you should apply it using a circular motion. Guys, try to blend in, use a circular motion for this. So to my lip, I didn't want my lip to, I just wanted this nice neutral shade, so I went in with this pencil first. I've forgotten the name of the pencil, but it will be in the description box below. I did to line my lips. I love this pencil in my lips. Then I go in with this shade, this nude from, is it Be Beauty? I don't know, but the shade name will be in the description box below. I didn't want it matte, I wanted it glossy, so I went in with this Tara lip gloss to give me this finish. I didn't want it to be matte. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Please don't forget to share your thoughts on the comment section, what you like, what you don't like about the look. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, shout out your girl. Till the next video, and give me the suggestion, your next video suggestion. I'll really appreciate it. Till the next video, bye loves.